everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a demo. Now last video I talked about the same exact product. That product you guys recommended me to use a moisturizer before I did this. So I already had my face moisturized. I did everything off camera. I used my daily moisturizer, which I will have a link here. So now I'm going to be taking the face primer and we're going to be doing a demo on how long it will last today. Usually whenever I do my foundation reviews or primer reviews or any review on a face product, I always come back with a test wear. So right now I am just going to apply this all over to my face. I have a wedding to go to today. I am a hostess, so I have to do the bride's makeup too as well. So I have a big long day ahead of me. So I just did like a nice little smoky glam eye. So that's basically what I do today. I didn't want to do too over the top. I didn't want to do like my favorite cut creases because I want the whole day to be focus on the bride. So I just applied the primer itself, and the primer is supposed to be a smooth skin intense makeup wear, and I have a full review on my channel, so I will definitely have a link below if you guys are curious. The foundation I did wear with the review in the video, I wear the foundation from the exact same company. Right now it is 11:14. I have to be at the place by 12 o'clock. I'm going to be applying my foundation. You guys said that the foundation seemed to be a little light. Well, technically it's not, but then again, sometimes lighting can make it look a little different. The mahogany foundation was definitely the darkest one for me. I tried mahogany. Mahogany was just a little bit too dark, but I am gonna go ahead and do what you guys suggested. Try a darker foundation, which I don't mind you guys' feedback. So I'm just gonna take just a little bit of mahogany, not too much, because mahogany is really rich, and it's a rich foundation. This foundation is rich. I can say the texture of it and everything, and I am the type, you know, I like more of a neutral foundation. I like more of a neutral. So I love you guys' feedback. I don't mind you guys' feedback at all. You guys always look out for me. So I just want to say thank you guys for those feedbacks in the comments, because feedbacks really help. So don't be afraid to give me a feedback if you see something that, you know, you may want me to test out or change up a bit. Maybe that can work for me. Maybe I can learn from you guys. So this is a family channel. It's very friendly, and I don't mind a good feedback from my viewers. So, and whatever makes you guys happy, I will definitely be open and willing to answer your questions, etc., and I will be willing to do so. So I'm applying the foundation with an e.l.f. brush. This e.l.f. brush is a powder brush, and I feel like this product definitely gives a great look once everything is done. So I definitely like that, and I like the idea of trying out the foundation from the brand itself and not with another foundation, because I want to see how it definitely will test out and everything like that. So I mixed mahogany with cappuccino, and let me know what you guys, let me know in the comments below how this turned out. Does it fit me? Does it does well? And see, my biggest fear about this is definitely flashback, and not only the flashback, oxidizing. So that's just my biggest fear, oxidizing. And now I'm going to set it with, I am going to be setting this with the face powder that comes with the company as well. So I kind of got like a full face going on with the company, so I really do like that. So this is the results so far, and I'm going to come back with an update. Add this primer on for at least 8 hours. 8 hours is basically the minimum of most of my reviews. My last review, I think it was either 7, so I haven't really done a full 10-hour test wear, anything like that. But this is the product that we are reviewing. This is the primer from LA Colors, which is very new. So this is supposed to help smooth skin, extends makeup wear. So we're supposed to be, you know, looking flawless. We're supposed to have smooth skin, everything else. So I took a picture of what everything would look like right after the application. So let's pull up that picture right now. So that was my application right as soon as I got done applying it. And I did mix a darker foundation because you guys said in the last review that my foundation is a little too light. So I hope that this turned out a little bit better. I hope this was a little bit more on the warmer side, not too really over the top. I hope it just turned out right for you. But let's look at the test wear for the whole face. Alright, forehead is looking pretty good. Let's see, still see my highlight that I applied earlier, so that's looking okay. And then my under eyes, it's kind of wearing off a little bit. I'm just trying to see how like the primer did with the foundation, but you know, it still covered up some of my dark spots, whatevs, and that is gone. It looks okay, you know, the primer. Even though my face, you know, feels just a little, you know, let's see. It still got a little bit of smoothness into the skin, you know, got a little smoothness. I really like how my skin looks, you guys. It looks good. Maybe switching up the foundation or adding a different shade helped out a lot, because if I would have went too mahogany, it'd be too dark for me. But I like it, you know. I like the finishing touch. I am dry skin, by the way, so I have not even touched up, powdered, anything, blotted, because I wanted to go a full day, you know, testing this out. At 8 hours would be considered as a full day for like a product review or anything like that. I would never try doing 24 hours. I should, but I probably wouldn't be able to do that. But I like it. I like it. Looks good, you know. Don't have any problems with it. I don't have on any lashes today, so that's why I look kind of crazy. But I like it. I had a wedding to do. I had 3 faces to glam up. So throughout that whole process, the primer stayed on really well. I used the primer. I used a primer on a client and they loved it themselves. So if they love it, then I think, you know, this is a pretty good primer. So another person gave me their input, so I'm giving my input. So I really have faith and trust, and applying this with a moisturizer was a lot better too, in a way. So the moisturizer kind of gave it a good a little bit, because it did felt a little bit dry when I did not apply it with a moisturizer at first. So yes, that was my thoughts on the face primer from LA Colors. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big old thumbs up, and I gotta go, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.